Guys, you gotta check this video out.
Whoa, that's crazy. What's he doing?
It's so strange.
Seriously? None of you have heard of reverse sneezing? It's kind of a thing.
No way, seriously?
Yeah, my sister does it sometimes, but it's usually not a big deal.
Not a big deal. I bet your pet parents freaked out the first time it happened.
Well, yeah, they definitely did. But when they took her to the vet, they found out that reverse sneezing happens when the throat gets irritated, causing a spasm and subsequent sneeze. It's completely harmless, but still a good idea to have it checked out. They also learned a couple of things that can help if the reverse sneezing continues for more than a few seconds. Gently massage the throat or blow on the nose. This will make the dog swallow and end the sneezing.
Whoa, wait a second. That one's different. That's not a reverse sneeze. That's a cough.
Oh yeah, I had a cough once, and people were pretty concerned. Coughs can be serious and should be checked out by a vet as soon as possible.
What about us cats? Some of us reverse sneeze too, and frankly, I find all this laughing a bit offensive. Feline asthma can be mistaken for reverse sneezing, and feline asthma can be serious.
You're probably right. Guess the lesson here is that our pet parents shouldn't be overly concerned about reverse sneezing, but to definitely call the vet if it's a cough.
And for cats, always call the vet.
Okay, enough serious stuff. Have you guys seen that cat who plays a piano? Now that's funny.